Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic window seal. First, gather your essential tools, including a new window seal, a plastic trim removal tool, and a clean cloth. Make sure you have a well-lit and clean workspace. It is also a good idea to protect your car's paint with some painter's tape around the window frame before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement process. Now, let's remove the old window seal. Begin by carefully prying up the old seal using your plastic trim removal tool. Start at one end and work your way slowly across the window frame. Take your time to avoid damaging the door panel or the window glass. Once the old seal is completely removed, thoroughly clean the window channel. This step is crucial to remove any old adhesive, dirt, or debris, ensuring a perfect fit for the new seal. With the channel clean, it's time to install the new window seal. Carefully align the new seal with the window channel, beginning at one corner. Gently press the seal into place, working your way around the entire window frame. Ensure a snug and even fit, making sure there are no gaps. You can use a rubber mallet or the palm of your hand to gently tap and fully seat the seal along its entire length. This ensures a secure and watertight seal. After installation, perform some final checks. Roll the window up and down several times to confirm smooth operation and proper sealing. Inspect the entire seal for any gaps, uneven areas, or places where it might not be fully seated. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a perfect fit. To extend the lifespan of your new window seal, regularly clean it with a mild soap and water solution. This helps prevent cracking and maintains its flexibility for years to come.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.